Welcome back. So everybody remembers the Harbor Freight rivet gun that I swore I was going to smash with a hammer and destroy because it was so terrible. So I ended up ordering a new Arrow unit, which is a little bit smaller unit, but it actually works pretty good, and it's got a smaller head on it too, which is nice for getting in tight spaces. Turns out I'm an idiot. So these things have, let me see if I can get this off one-handed. Yeah, so inside here, and I'm sure everybody that's watching this knows, but all this stuff in here is all adjustable, and I apparently didn't read the manual. So I got this one and then took it apart, looked at the guts just to compare to the old Harbor Freight unit, and then went and read the manual for the Harbor Freight one because I thought, well, maybe I lost a set of jaws for it, needed another set of jaws or something, and then read the section where it says, oh, it's got to be a certain length from here to here. So it works fine. So anyway, I now have 3 rivet guns. So let me know if you need to borrow one. Anyway, today, as you can see, the shop is a disaster like usual, but today I'm gonna try and get the main countertop riveted and glued on here. So that's the goal. Oh, when I started, you can see my rubber mat on the floor, my horse mat. So I cut it in half and cut that piece to fit, and that fits pretty nice inside there, and it's really nice to stand on. It's nice and cushy. So now I just got to cut that one up to fit into this space here, and it's not too bad. It's basically a rectangle with like a little notch out kind of over in that area, and then of course I'm going to cut out the footwell, and then I'll use the cutout piece to actually drop into the footwell and use that as a pad for inside the footwell. So that should work pretty good. Anyway, the plan today is to do something, glue something to the trailer, because a little bit of progress is more than none, right? So I've been trying to make it out here a little bit at a time to try and do something to try and make, keep the progress going. So anyway, that's the goal for today. All right, guys, check it out. the counter is glued on. Had to get my son out to help a little bit with some weight so that everything would be even underneath on the pop rivets, but everything looks pretty good underneath here. There's some squish out on the adhesive, which is good. That means I got enough in there. So happy with that. Next task is going to be to put the front bulkhead cubbyhole panel in, and the divider, which is actually sitting right here. That's that one. So I don't know if that's going to happen this weekend or not. So I am going to end this episode right here with another small glue job done. So happy with that. Good progress for a couple hours. I had a little bit of time spent on the wife's car this weekend. We got her a 2017 Outback Premium like 2 weeks ago, and so I just got done putting a front and rear facing dash cam in the thing. So pretty clean install. Everything's nice and hidden, but it took quite a while to do it. So that took up some time this weekend, but happy with the progress on the trailer, and should have more progress soon. Maybe it's only Saturday, maybe tomorrow, but most likely next weekend. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.